Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. It's me, SILVIAX. Thank you so much for being here. So today's video is going to be a jewelry review. So SILVIAX reached out to me, SILVIAX Jewelry, and asked if I would like to collab with them again. So they've sent me jewelry in the past. A lot of times you will see me wearing necklaces and they're from SILVIAX. I wear the ones that they have sent me. I've worn so many times. I love them so much. They're the personalized necklaces. So it is just so much fun. So like I said, they reached out to me, asked if I would like to work with them again. And I said, of course, because like I said, I have worn those necklaces so many times. So anyways, I have 4 beautiful necklaces to show you guys. So again, SILVIAX, thank you so much for sending me these beautiful pieces. I chose these pieces, you guys. I chose what I wanted to say on them. Their website is they sell personalized jewelry. So they have necklaces, anklets, bracelets, rings. I mean, just everything pretty much under the sun for personalization for jewelry. It is just so much fun to shop it. And like I said, so let me go ahead and show you the first item they sent me. Oh, they also gave me some discount codes. I will put in my description box below me. I'll also put a link to everything that I'm showing you in this video as far as like the necklaces themselves. I'll put the link and then it'll take you over to SILVIAX if you'd like to see which ones I'm showing in this video today. And then again, the discount codes. All right, let's go ahead and have some fun and I'll show you what they sent me. So the first one is this box. Okay, so this is so cool. So it comes with a box that says SILVIAX personalized jewelry. Okay. And then you open it up just like this. I hope I had it up the right side up there. Then you open it up like this. Okay. And then inside is my first necklace. It says Sara Star. So I definitely had to get another necklace that said Sara Star because that's my middle name. So I love to, you know, include my middle name sometimes when I have my jewelry. It's just fun. Sometimes I'll just do Sara. Sometimes I'll do Sara Star. But yeah, I'll show you guys the rest of the jewelry I got. It's just so beautiful. So Sara Star. So here we go. This is a 16-inch chain. So again, you can personalize it to whatever name you want on here. So I'm going to go ahead and try it on. I'm going to go ahead and get it a little bit up higher on against the black so you can see it a little bit better. But this is so pretty. I hope it shows like this. Here we go. Is it showing? Let me just hold it up with both. Here we go, guys, like that. So Sara Star. Isn't that amazing? It's so pretty. Like I said, I love collecting jewelry that's personalized. I just think it just adds to like an outfit. I don't know. I just think it's really fun. And like, you know, I don't have an H on my name. So it's always kind of hard to find a Sara without an H. So it's really nice that I can just go ahead and personalize it to, you know, exactly with a Sara without an H. It's easier to find them like when I can personalize them. So there we have it, Sara Star. Okay, making sure the camera can see that clearly. And there's no glare. All right, friends, I'm going to try it on. I actually have not even tried it on yet. I haven't tried any of these necklaces on. Like I said, they sent me 4 necklaces. Have not tried any of them on. Again, this is a 16-inch length. This does come with the adjustable little links at the back here on this necklace. It's really, really nice that they do that. And it actually has a heart at the bottom of the link. Like right there, they included like a little heart. It's so cute. I love little details like that. And you can see it gives me some wiggle room. So if I want to wear it longer one day or shorter the next, you know, depending on what I'm wearing, I can do so. So let me go ahead and put it on here. And let's see. Let me turn it around this way. Okay. So here we have it. All right, you guys, let me show you. And they're so easy to put on too. Okay, here we have this one. And it's super lightweight. Okay, so here it is. Oh my gosh, you guys. It is so cute. Let me check my mirror. Oh, yes. Look at how beautifully like the font that they use is just like perfect. Do you see how beautiful that looks? And it's like so like dainty, but it's like, it has like a presence, you know what I mean? It's like very like eye-catching. I feel like these pieces are statement pieces in themselves. Like I said, I could just wear this and I feel like it makes my outfit, you know what I mean? As far as like one piece of jewelry can make your whole outfit, you know? You can dress it up or down. But yeah, I could add to the necklace or leave it by itself. If I'm wearing this, I'm just gonna wear it like this. Like I'm not gonna add to it, but I could actually, I have added, I have other necklaces from SILVIAX, and like sometimes I'll layer with like other necklaces. It also looks really cute like that too, but alone, standing alone, I think it looks really beautiful. So there it is, Sara Starr. I'll go in closer so you guys can see, hopefully closer with the, there we go, so you guys can see. Yeah, it's so pretty, you guys. I love it. I'm actually gonna scoot a little bit closer so hopefully the camera can pick it up. It's so pretty. Okay, so that is the first necklace they sent me. Okay, look how the light catches it too. Okay, so there's necklace number 1. Okay, I'll keep it on while I show you the next. Oh, it also comes with a polishing cloth right here that says SILVIAX on it. All right, the next piece of jewelry I want to show you is this necklace. It is so gorgeous. So it comes just like this in the box, and you know, it has the same SILVIAX box. I hope I'm holding it right side up there, SILVIAX. And you lift it up like this. Okay, this necklace is a statement piece. It is so beautiful. It says Sara. Again, you can personalize it to what name you want on there. Okay, let me go ahead and take it out of the plastic wrap here so you can see it better against the black background. It is, first of all, let me just take it out and show you how gorgeous this is. This is so pretty. Oh my goodness. I just love this necklace. This is gorgeous, right? Oh my gosh. You guys, and it's very, look at it has a thickness to it as well. I hope it's picking up on the camera. It does have a thickness to it. But I'm going to put it against, like I said, the black here so you can see it better. But look at the detail on it. It's so gorgeous. You guys will be seeing me wear this jewelry a lot. Like the other pieces they've sent me, I just wear them. So here we have, this says Sara. Isn't that beautiful? It's so pretty. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and try it on. I have, like I said, not tried it on. I'm really excited to try it on and see it on. Actually see it on me. Let's see. Let me see if I can get it to balance against the black there. Go closer so you guys can see. There we go. Isn't that pretty? I just want you guys to see all the detail on it. And the chain is really nice too. It's a nice, really thick chain. And I love that about that too. So I'm going to go ahead and take this one off. And I'll go ahead and try the next one on for you guys. So it has like a heart detail on it. Very beautiful. So I'm going to put this back in the box. Here we go. Okay. So this also has the same type of, this is a 16-inch chain that I order. You can order different length chains. So I ordered the 16-inch again. Again, here's the, it gives me a little bit of a, I can go up or down if I want to make it shorter or longer. So I do like that. I have a little bit of options there. All right, you guys, here we go. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. You guys, look at this. Oh my goodness. That is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, you guys. That is so pretty. Yes, that is so pretty. So, yes, so let me go ahead and I'm going to move around a little bit so the light can show it a little bit better if I'm, in the right light here, because I have lights on me and I want to make sure it's showing because I'm a little bit further back from the camera. But isn't that gorgeous? And it's like, it has a weight to it, but it doesn't feel too heavy. You know what I mean? So it's like a very beautiful piece. So there's that. So exciting. It looks so pretty, huh? I love it. Again, this would be really cute with like a t-shirt, like, just like dressing down or dressing it up. So like I could wear this like running to town. I would wear this running to town, like just with the, you know what I mean? Like dressed down or dressed up is what I'm trying to say. There's so many options with this kind of necklace. It's so pretty. It's a statement piece, you guys. This is like all eyes on this necklace. Like these necklaces are very, like I said, center of attention, I think, for an outfit. I really do think so. They're so pretty and just so beautiful. Okay. The next piece is, I'm going to show you, is so exciting. They sent me is in this box right here. So this is a bigger box And this is so pretty. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay, so we have it right here. Now I'm going to open it up. Again, each one comes with a polishing cloth, and it has a little foam there. This is so pretty. So I want to tell you the name of this, by the way. Again, I'll put in the links, these necklaces, but this is double layer heart nameplate pendant personalized custom gold plated name necklace. Okay. So the next one is this one. Let me put it against I'm going to show you first, and then I'll put it back in the box to show you against the black. This is so cute, you guys. This is the gold plate nameplate pendant with snake chain personalized custom name necklace. This I actually got an 18-inch in. So this is I got a little bit of longer chain. This is an 18-inch. It's so beautiful. And I'm going to go ahead. I like the thickness of the chain. I love that snake chain. And then also I love that the Sara is like very, I like the size of my name on there. I think it's really nice, and it's just very beautiful. You see that? It's so pretty. I love all of these pieces. Here we go. So pretty. Going closer. Here we go. Sara. So, yeah. There we go. Okay. And then you can see the chain is just beautiful. Again, same thing. Gave me wiggle room to go up or down. Or actually to add, I think it's just right at 18 inches, and I think they added it so I can, get more room if I want more room. So, but yeah, they also included the heart at the bottom of it as well, the bottom of the little extra link there. I mean, that's just so cute. Like, the details are so cute. Okay, so I'm going to try this on now. I like that all the chains are a little different. Like, they have different looks to them. Okay, here we go. Oh, that is so cute. And it slides around. The Sara slides around on there. Let me make sure I have it in the right direction. Yes. You guys, look at how cute that is. Oh my goodness. That is so pretty. Yes, I love it. And isn't it so pretty? I just love, like I said, love personalized necklaces. So, yeah. Anyways, super cute. Love it. I'm just so happy to have these necklaces, you guys. I'm so thrilled. They're just absolutely eye-catching and so gorgeous. So, yeah. Anyways. All right, you guys. So the next one I'm going to show you is just as beautiful. I'm so excited. So I have worn this necklace. The one they sent me before, I always wear at the 1980s, one that they sent me. So this one, I ordered another birth year necklace because I think they're so much fun to wear, and I get so many compliments when I wear my 1980 necklace. I have a lot of people ask, like, is that your birthday year? Or they'll say, I love your necklace. Like, I get that all the time. So I wanted to get another one. So this one it came in the box just like this. And this one's called the Lucky Number Personalized Custom Gold Plated Number Necklace. So anyways, you can do 78, you could do 2005, like whatever you want, like, you know what I mean, on this necklace. So, oops. So it is actually this box. I grabbed the wrong box. Here we go. So we have this one right here. So again, it comes with the polishing cloth right here, the polishing cloth. And you guys, this necklace is so pretty. So it came in the protective little baggie there. And this, I haven't even tried this one on either. This is a 16-inch chain. Okay, so I'll go ahead and show you that. Okay, so let me go ahead and hold it against the black background again. You guys can see it is so pretty. Look at that, you guys. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. 1980. So go closer. And I love the chain too. The really pretty chain. I don't have any other chains like this. So really, really pretty. And it has like, it looks like almost like, it almost looks like rhinestones on there, but they're just, there's no rhinestones on it. It's just like, there's like little dots in there, but it's not rhinestones. But it has like a texture to it. It's really, really pretty. And I like the, again, the font they use for the 1980. I think it's beautiful. And then here's the back side of it. It's like just solid like gold color here. Okay, so let me try this one on for you guys and see how that looks on. I'm so excited to see what it looks like on. Okay, so let me take this one off. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Let me get the clasp here. Again, same thing. It gave me adjustable length there, or an adjuster right there. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. It is so light too. I mean, I could feel it a little bit, but it's like not heavy at all. You know what I mean? It is so pretty. Let me see. I've got to look in the mirror. Oh, that is so cute. You guys, look at this. This is so cute. This is so adorable. 1980. Yep, that's the year I was born, you guys. So, yeah. So I just really think it's beautiful. I just love it. So again, I can adjust it to go up a little bit, or to go a little bit longer. And again, it has that like dimension. It's like thick. It's like a thick number necklace. It's really, really pretty. And it lays really nice on. It's so pretty. So there it is. So that's the last one to show you guys. So again, they sent me 4 necklaces. I love every single one of them. I love them so much. They're so pretty. So I will, like I said, go ahead and put all the information in my description box. And thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you so, so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, I would love if you would subscribe. And my returning family, thank you so much for being here. So with that being said, again, thank you to SILVIAX again for sending these to me. And I will see you guys back here tomorrow with my next haul. Till next time, everybody, take care. God bless. I'll see you really soon. Bye for now.